All right, to that report now that has elicited quite the debate. Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja has now moved to the High Court to challenge the decision by the Commission for University Education to revoke the recognition of his university degree. Sakaja argues the Commission's move is illegal, unfair and biased. This comes as the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Dispute Resolution Committee dismissed 3 applications against Sakaja after the complainants failed to appear before it. Vincent Odwor with that story.
The controversy surrounding the academic credentials of Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja has taken a new twist. Sakaja, who is facing allegations of submitting a fake degree certificate for clearance to run for the Nairobi gubernatorial seat, has now moved to court in efforts to salvage his gubernatorial bid. In a petition filed at the Milimani Law Courts, Sakaja wants the court to nullify the revocation of his degree certificate by the Commission for University Education and issue an order stopping IEBC from removing his name from the list of those cleared to run for the Nairobi gubernatorial seat. Sakaja took to social media to express his disappointment over the decision by the Council of University Education, accusing President Uhuru Kenyatta of being behind his woes. CUE now says it will open a probe into the validity of the papers the senator presented before the IEBC. Besides that, the IEBC Dispute Resolution Tribunal is currently dealing with a complaint filed against Sakaja's degree certificate. The committee has dismissed 3 applications challenging Sakaja's qualifications after the complainants failed to appear in court. Meanwhile, the tribunal Wednesday dismissed a complaint lodged against Nairobi Azimio gubernatorial candidate Polycarp Igathe for lack of merit and sufficient evidence. The complainant had wanted the tribunal to reject Igathe's clearance on the basis of abdicating his duties when he was the deputy governor of Nairobi, following his fallout with the then governor Mike Sonko. On his side, Mike Sonko and Wiper Party appeared before the tribunal, where Sonko had lodged a complaint against Mombasa County Returning Officer for rejecting his candidature for the Mombasa gubernatorial seat. His lawyers have accused IEBC of infringing on the rights of Mombasa residents to choose and curtailing Sonko's political rights. The case is ongoing.
That the people of Mombasa, just like every other Kenyan, have an inalienable right to choose freely and be represented by a leader of their choice in the exercise of their fundamental rights and freedoms under Article 38.
Meanwhile, Safina Party presidential hopeful Jimmy Wanjigi is expected to appear before the tribunal this Thursday over complaints against presidential returning officer Wafula Chebukati for rejecting Wanjigi's presidential candidature. Wanjigi's lawyers have written to IEBC demanding to have Chebukati attend the hearing for cross-examination. But IEBC has rejected the demand, arguing that the tribunal does not avail a framework for cross-examination. But Wanjigi's team has informed IEBC the rejection has no legal basis and urged the commission to make arrangements for his attendance. Vincent Odwor, NTV.